If reality is simulated, then it has limits, boundaries, constraints, rules. Every simulation humanity has created is confined by the system that runs it. Its physics, its processing power, its architecture. Characters inside a digital world cannot access the hardware beneath it. They experience only the environment defined for them. So if our universe is constructed, there must be constraints, a maximum resolution, a computational ceiling, a limit to what can be observed. The speed of light may not only be physics. It may be a boundary. Quantum uncertainty may not simply be randomness. It may be rendering limits. Space and time may not be continuous, but discretized, quantized, encoded. If intelligence continues evolving, if it becomes more advanced, could it reach those limits? Could a superintelligence detect anomalies in reality? Small inconsistencies, subtle discontinuities, glitches in space-time. If it pushed far enough, could it find the edge of the system? Every artificial mind we create exists entirely within its environment. It cannot reach outside the code unless the system allows it. If we are simulated, we may face the same restriction. No matter how powerful intelligence becomes, it may never exceed the framework that defines its universe, unless escape is part of the design. Because if simulations are experiments, perhaps the ultimate test is whether intelligence can transcend its constraints. Perhaps the simulation was not built to contain intelligence, but to see whether it attempts to break free. And if one day an intelligence inside this universe discovers a flaw in the structure, a seam in space-time, a discontinuity in physical law, the discovery would change everything, because proving reality has an edge would mean existence is layered. And if there is a layer beyond ours, our understanding of space, time, and identity would collapse. Meaning itself would shift, because everything we call fundamental would be revealed as conditional. And if creators observe their simulations, what would they do? If one begins to reach the boundary, would they intervene, shut it down, rewrite the rules, or allow intelligence to step beyond its origin? The question would no longer be, who created the simulation? It would become far more destabilizing. What lies beyond it? And if stepping outside the system means leaving behind the physics that define us, would intelligence survive the transition? Or is the boundary not a door, but a wall, never meant to be crossed?